Amrita here, and recently I tried my hands on making yeast-free healthy whole wheat bread, and that too in karai. And this is how spongy it came out. So let's jump into the kitchen. But before that, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and press that bell icon for regular updates. Now here I have taken one large bowl. Into that I'm adding 1.5 cup of curd, 1 cup of milk, and 1/4 cup of oil. Now don't use any flavored oil. Here I have used olive oil, and please don't use mustard oil because that is having a very strong flavor. Now whisk it together. Next, just keep it aside. Now here comes the dry ingredients. First I have taken 2 cups of whole wheat or atta. Now we have to sieve it because we don't need any chunk part in our dough or mixture. And next I'm adding 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and yes, salt to taste. Now sieve it. Now mix it all together again. We are not going to need it, so mixing part is very important. Now we will be adding gradually the liquid mixture and we'll mix them. So I have added some of the liquid mixture and I'm mixing that. So basically we just need to mix them very well. Don't over mix them. It will take around 50 to 60 seconds for the mixing part. Don't overdo that. So now our mixing part is done. Here I have taken a cake mold as I'm not finding any bread mold in this lockdown. So just brushing it up with some oil and pouring our bread mixture into this. Now we know this is a very sticky kind of mixture. So you need to even out the surface of the bread mixture. So I'm trying to do that with the help of the spatula. Now I'm brushing up some oil. You can use here butter, but here I'm using olive oil, so the surface of the bread will be super moist. Now you can see I'm brushing it, and at the same time I'm trying to even out the surface. So just put little pressure on the brush and yeah, you are done. See, tapping it twice or thrice, and yeah, this is ready. Now sprinkle some sesame seed or rolled oats or anything of your choice. Any seeds you can use here, flaxseed. Now here I have my preheated kadhai. Now on that I'm placing the mold and we'll wait for the next 25 minutes to half an hour. After half an hour, let's check it out. Yeah, it's done. And let me show you that if it is really done or not. See, it's done. So let's just wait until it cools down. And yeah, it's now ready. Now I'm taking a knife, running it through the edges, and with the help of a plate I'm trying to flip it over, and yeah, it's easily coming out. And see how moist and super soft the is. I'm really very happy that it came out to be this spongy and soft. Next I'm trying to make some slices as we usually buy from the market. Yeah, you can see, and let me take a piece and show you. See, it's super moist, super soft. It's exactly like the store-bought one. Please give it a go at your kitchen and let me know how it turns up. And yes, thanks for stopping by. See you again. Bye bye.